The manufactured techniques of Lazi Tibetanknife in Lazi County. With a history of more than 1,000 years, Lazi Tibetanknife is mainly disturbed in Lazi village of Lazi County. The central part of Shikaza, there are three types of Tibetan knives made in Lazi: long knife, short knife, and small knife. The longest long knife is 1 meter. The short knife is about 50 centimeters, and the small knife is merely 10 centimeters. The general production process of the Tibetan knife including smelting and melting, metal casing, tapping and shaping, carving, and inline, welding, combination, enrichment and flying, shaping, fine carving, magnesium, washing and polishing, and so on. Lazi Tibetanknife is characterized by excellent steel, top blood, fine carving, and sensuous melody. Its making process consists of three steps. First, forge the blood, then make the scrape bar and the handle according to the size of the blood, and finally combine them to form a complete Tibetan knife. For a high-quality Lazi Tibetanknife, the blade is tempered to form a diamond. The handle and the scrape bars are usually made of the wood shapes and embodied in some parts. Some rare Tibetan knife handles and scrape bars are made of the gold, silver, and indeed with green pin, stone-edged beads, and so on. Precious stones in Tibetan are used as decoration. At the same time, the patterns on the handle and scroll bars are expressed because word shapes such as Lazi snow will be paying attention to that. The patterns such as dragon penis, tiger, lion, orchid flower, landscape, and many other types make the scroll bars and handle fascinating.